I wanted to show off this pretty neat residential elevator in this large 3-story rental house that I'm actually in charge of maintenance for. So I work on some things here from time to time, but it's pretty cool. I don't really know much about elevators. I don't really have an interest in elevators, but just thought it was something you don't see that often. So it looks like a normal door, but you have this little call station beside of it, and I actually added these labels just so people know, what this thing is and how to use it. So go ahead and press the button to call the elevator down. The elevator actually needed some work to it. I didn't do it. We had a company come out and do some repairs. It was a little bit squeaky and just loud, and the light fixtures on the inside were messed up, but it's all fixed now. It's working good. Should be almost here. Yep, here we go. Open that door up, and you have this contraption. I'm pretty sure these are called interlocks that lock the door when the elevator car isn't on the level. Shut the door. And shut the screen. So this is a Savaria brand. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a residential elevator. Again, this is the 3-story house. You have basement, floor 1 and floor 2. We're in the basement right now. There's this open door button. It doesn't seem to do much. I don't really know why it's there. We have an alarm button, and then the run stop switch, and then a on off key switch, and then an emergency phone that doesn't do anything. I probably need to hook that up just in case anything ever happens. So press floor 1, and we're going up. Mike can see the floor there. Here we are. And on the first floor, there's another one of these call stations and interlocks. It's pretty much the same setup on each floor. And we'll go to the second floor. Again, same setup, another call station and the interlock. There's actually an access panel right here that I checked in there before. I think it's some sort of control thing in there. I forget what it is now. Yeah, it's pretty neat. And here's the light fixtures in here. They were originally halogen, but they were replaced with LED. For some reason, they started to act up every time we would change a bulb. It was like the bulbs only lasted a day or two, and then they would stop working and we would swap it. So the company put in these new LED ones. So shut the door, screen, and go back to the basement. And then once we're down there, I'll show you the controls for the elevator. I actually had to do a little bit of maintenance with it. The batteries, the backup batteries on it were dead, so change that out so if there's ever a power outage, you're not just stuck in here. Anyway, and back down to the basement. So that's a little overview of the elevator itself. And now, take a look at the controls in the owner's closet. It's way back over here. And here's the actual control panel itself. I don't know if I can show the information that's under this. The model of it is Eclipse. It's got a 1,000-pound capacity and disconnect and the light switch for the lighting. Here's the inside of the control panel. All the different complex equipment going on. There's the backup batteries. And here's the old ones I still haven't recycled, but those are on, working great. So pretty neat stuff, and I pretty much know nothing about it. Well, that's everything I wanted to show off. Again, just a little for fun video I wanted to make for anyone that's interested in elevators or just finds things like this neat and fascinating. So that's all, and I'll see you guys later on.